Hey, what's up, unboxing fans? I am here with another unboxing. I've done a few today, and I'm going to do one last one. Maybe this is from Cleveland. I don't know. I'm trying to gauge where these different little acronyms that are on the boxes. But I live in South Bend, Indiana, and this is an Amazon Prime unboxing. I'm not sponsored by any of the products that are in this video. I wish I was, or Amazon. I definitely wish I was. But I'm going to let you know everything that I got. Basically, it's just me discussing what I purchased. So first up is a Jacklinks peppered beef jerky. This is a great low-carb, low-sugar snack, if there's any in there at all. There's some sugar. There are some carbs. But it's a yummy, healthy alternative. Next up, we got Jacklinks teriyaki beef jerky. Another delicious, yummy snack. I do the subscribe and save for a lot of items so that way I can save money in the long run. This one has its own individual box. This is a Jacklinks Wild Heat double feature. It's actually... Dang, that box was dense. So this is supposedly an extremely hot jerky. This says extra hot right on there. It looks delicious. It's got less sugar and less carbs than the teriyaki. Actually, it's got the same amount of carbs and 1 gram less total sugar. And we got the new hickory smoke, new to me. I haven't tried this yet, and I can't wait to. When I do taste tests, I usually I do separate taste test videos, and I'll talk about each product that I like, and you know, I'll rank them and let you know what I think. Do you guys have a favorite jerky? It doesn't have to be Jacklinks, but you know, the ones that I've been having so far are pretty delicious. So much so that I subscribe and save to them. I highly recommend subscribing and saving on Amazon. You save money, and also there's some delicious stuff. Look at the difference. So right here I have Blue Diamond Almonds, Bold Sweet Thai Chili, yummy right here. Got a little kick to it for sure, so just a heads up, a warning. But yeah. What's your favorite almond? Do you have a favorite nut? Your cashew. Look at this. Boom. This is a Planters mixed nuts made with pure sea salt, less than 50% peanuts. This includes peanuts, almonds, cashews, hazelnuts, and pecans. Or do you say pecans? I love almonds. Cashews are probably my favorite. I love hazelnuts, and I love pecans. But this is definitely a great deal right here. It's cheaper than I priced it at like Walmart, and you know, it's just cheaper. I like saving money. I like having cool things and healthy things. These are healthier snacks than a lot of bad stuff out there. Leave a comment and let me know what your favorite snack is. What's your favorite jerky? Please subscribe, please share, and if you want to help support my channel, you can cash at me at Lennon Hawthorne. You can go to riptapparel.com. That's RIPT apparel.com, or onceuponat.net. Find your shirt or shirts of choice. You're going to save a couple bucks each shirt if you use my username Lennon Hawthorne. Thanks so much for watching my video, and have a great day.